Experiencing a frozen Volvo infotainment screen is a common issue, especially in models from 2019 onwards. It typically manifests as the system getting stuck on the Volvo logo or a spinning icon during startup, preventing access to essential functions. This is often due to software glitches, corrupted cache, or failed updates. The most effective initial steps are performing a soft reboot by pressing the power button to clear the RAM. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a complete shutdown and restart. These actions can often resolve temporary freezes and boot loop issues. If these steps fail, proceed to clearing the cache for individual apps or performing a factory reset, ensuring you've backed up your data via Volvo's Cloud Sync first to avoid data loss. Remember, low battery voltage or aftermarket accessories can also trigger these issues. If basic troubleshooting fails, Volvo addresses issues through over-the-air software updates. Ensure your system runs the latest Volvo Cars OS, which includes stability patches that reduce loading freezes. The Volvo app provides free diagnostic tools for compatible models. When the problem continues, a factory reset is the next step. This process wipes all user data and restores the system to its default state. Always back up your data using Volvo's Cloud Sync before proceeding. Looking ahead, Volvo integrates AI for predictive diagnostics, allowing the system to autonomously fix loading issues. Future models aim for zero downtime infotainment using redundant processors and cloud-based recoveries. Always be vigilant about cybersecurity, as vulnerabilities can affect system stability. If all fixes fail, seek professional servicing, especially for suspected hardware faults. Regular software checks are essential to preempt issues.